si Jay Roa! Ayan!
Talagang dinagsa tayo ha. Grabe kanina. Parang dyan banda, parang hindi pa masyado. Ngayon talagang punong-puno. And again, taus-pusong magpapasalamat po sa lahat ng mga delegates natin from 118 cities for visiting General Santos City. Mamimiss po namin kayong lahat.
Ayan, tunay po mamimiss ng General Santos City. Ang saya ng Batang Pinoy 2025. Eto, tanong ko sa kanila, Ma'am Kat. Ano ba yung paboritong kanta nyo ni Jay Roa? Ano yung paboritong kanta nyo? Ano?
Biyahe!
Biyahe! O, kantayin nyo nga yung biyahe. Yung chorus lang ng biyahe. 3, 2, 1! Di nyo alam?
Biyahe!
And now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen,
Ito na siya!
Kabataan Pilipino, Pilipinas, we give you Jay Roa!
Kamusta mo? Lagi. Sunsaya ninyo ha, medyo pagaw lang ang tingog. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Dagang salamat kayo for having me here. Labo mo yung energy? Sino dito yung mga nagtitiktok? Nagtitiktok kayo? TikTok ko bro! Let's go! Alright! Gabi ha. Jetsan, kamusta man? May gamising ka na. Talagang kayong salamat. Jetsan, honored to be here. Nang sa katumbig ha. Grabe ang mawanog init ka rin, no? Naikot dyan mo sa trangkaso, but hindi yan makakapigil sa amin para magtahan ng Jetsan ngayong gabi! Mauubusan ng boses, pero dito ako mauubusan ng boses sa Jetsan. Pero syempre, kailangan ko ng tulong nyo. Ginaya ko na sa day. Pwede ka magpatabang ninyo? Wala akong gusto madunggan. Ay, DJ Abby, mag-throwback ata. Ganahan mo mag-throwback? Ginaya, gusto nyo ba ng throwback? Let's take it back to 2016. Let's go. Grabe, alam niyo ba pala yun? Sino ba nakikinig niyo since 2016? Guys! Grabe. It's such an honor to be here with you guys. Salamat kayo. Hello, hello! Wait lang. Again, it's such an honor to sing these songs to you guys. Grabe, 2016. Hilig kayo mo Green Labs, no? Throwback kayo nangilig, no? Pero alam nyo, again, gusto humingi ng pasensya. Siyempre, sorry guys, before anything else, congratulations sa tanan natong ating nag-compete karon. Palakpakan naman tayo, guys. You deserve this night. Everybody's prepared this for you. This is a celebration. Salamat kayo. But anyways, guys, pasensya kayo balik sa akong kondisyon, sa akong tingog karon. Naabtan dyan ko sa trangkaso kay ang panahon pa iba-iba, no? Init, ulan. Yun naman talaga yun, no? Marami nag-iba-iba. Yung panahon, yung technology, yung feelings na sa'yo, nag-iiba. Yung dating mahal ka, hindi ka na mahal. Yung dating gusto ka, hindi ka na gusto. Pero sa akin, no? Kung pwede lang, tayong makabalik sa dati. Alright. Grabe, ano? Pati yung dati, alam nyo din. Alright. Alright. Ay. Kasi usapan dati na tayo, nag-relapse na naman kayo. May nakita ko kanina, Sir John Ro, gusto kita mga duwin yung kanta mo ng Ox lang ako. Kung Ox lang ba? Yes, bro! Halika dito, guys. Hello, sir. Anong pangalan mo, guys? Si Tom, malabakan natin si Tom, guys! Bro, you wanna sing Ox lang? Alright, sino dito mga nag-relapse? Grabe, 2025 na, broken hearted, gihapon mo? Ikaw bro, anong ganahan ka sa Ox lang? Broken hearted ka din? Sino ang broken hearted si Tom, guys? Anong broken hearted ka bro? Sorry bro?
Mahabang kwento.
Mahabang kwento? Ganyan yan eh, yung mga ayaw magkwento, mahabang kwento. Sige bro, you wanna sing together? You wanna sing together? It's not. Guys, you guys ready? Here we go. 2, 3. Ang natutupi, hindi ka na kasama. Hinahanap ang sunod sa bakit hindi ko nakasalan. Guys, give it up again for Tom. Bro, you inspire me, man. Salamat kayo, bro. That was beautiful, man. Guys, wait lang. Alam nyo, I'm a little sad lang naman ng konti because I'm not in my 100% condition now performing for you guys. Pero daghan kayo salamat sa inyo for bearing with me. Daghan kayo salamat, but you know, that moment to, walay binuang. That was very beautiful because pwede ka mo story ninyo gamay lang. Okay lang mo share gamay sa inyo, ha? Napamatay tayo, no? Alright. After muli na kay gabihin, ha? But anyways, guys, again, let me have your attention just a little bit now. I want to congratulate and I want to say kudos sa tanan na itong mga young athletes karon na naadiri. Palakpakan tayo, guys. Thank you sa inyong heart. Thank you sa dedication. Thank you sa passion of love. Sa gift na gihatag sa Ginoo sa inyo. You know, that's why that moment inspired me. Tom, thank you sa bravery. Salamat kayo sa share na wala moment with me. No, it didn't stop him having a condition. He was passionate because he loves music. You guys are passionate because you love what you do. And you know guys, I want to tell you something. The reason why I'm here, I'm standing in front of you, because I didn't give up on the thing that I love. I didn't give up on music, and you guys didn't give up on me. Kaya nagkakaroon salamat. But here's one thing I'm going to share to you. It's a little quick lang. No? In this life of being a musician, I've experienced everything. The fame, the money, everything. It's fun. The success, it's good. And I want to tell you guys, before I sing my next song, the money, fame, and success will only do so much in your life, but it will never fulfill you. It's your passion, it's your heart to serve others, to serve your family, and the gift that God has given you in your life.
Amen.
And I want to remind you, na kung you feel down, you feel depressed, you feel alone, always remember, na sa kanyang ginabuhi, na naganong pasikot-sikot o libak, naganong problema, may parating ang kasama sa biyahe mo! Ang pangalan niya ay si Jesus, and He loves you very, very much. And this song is His song to you, and His love song to me. So if you guys know this song, sing along, alright? Wala nang iba, wala kong ibigay ng buo ang puso ko sa'yo, kaya humawak sa aking kamay, handang ibigay lahat ng ang iyong kamay sa akin ibigay. Hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin. Set! Oh, 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 natin dalawa. Now this part, imagine God saying this to you. I don't need the music, just listen to this. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, tabi mo lang palagi, basta't magtiwala lang sa akin, huwag mong bitawan ang kapit mo sa akin.
Ika sa day, ulo.
Driver!
Ating kamay.
Sa akin ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin dalawa. Natin dalawa. Hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin dalawa. Jensen Magingay! Woo! Walang makakapigil sa atin, Jensen. Batang Pinoy, walang makakapigil sa atin. And our dreams in everything that we do. Walang makakapigil sa atin. Picture tayo. Habang inaayos nila, picture mo tayo.
Nawala, gano'n ka na.
Okay. Balik ako. I just wanna take this time. No? Jensen, nag-enjoy po kayo? You guys enjoyed this week? Excited naman sa Batang Pinoy Bacolod? Alright. Guys, right, before anything else, I just want to take this time, of course, to thank you guys again. Again, kayong salamat. Jensen, dagang salamat sa inyong piling tumagtanggap. Batang Pinoy. Again, guys, let's give ourselves a round of applause. And of course, I want to take this time also to mention and to thank PSC Chairman John Patrick C. Gregorio. Chairman, again, kayong salamat. Maraming salamat po. You're such an inspiration po to all our athletes here. Of course, Sports Commissioner Olivia G. Po. Palapakan naman tayo dyan, guys. Pag Olivia, maraming salamat po. And of course, our City Mayor, Honorable Lorelie G. Pacquiao. Mayor, I can't see you go wherever you are. Maraming salamat. Again, kayong salamat. Alright, Jensen, I have one question for you guys. Napapamay AMG! Kinaya